So I was gonna go back and finish explaining how to interpret the solutions, and I'm glad that I did because I found a mistake that I made. And the mistake that I made was here, right here. So when I divide everything by negative 500, when you divide this side by negative and you divide this side by negative, we should have switched that inequality and made it less than or equal to. So this should have been less than or equal to. And that doesn't affect finding the two numbers 12 and 18, but it does affect when you are trying to determine which numbers you should shade. Because if we'd left it greater than, then that would be we would shade beyond. But since it's less than or equal to, we should be shade. That's an and problem, and we should be shading in between. So that's where it would be. And I didn't catch that until I went to Desmos and I entered the original equation that I wrote, this equation right here. I entered that equation on Desmos and it showed me to shade between 12 and 18. So that's how I knew that I'd made a mistake. And when I went back and looked, I realized that I did, because you can't, when you divide both sides by a negative number, you have to switch the inequality. So this is your answer. I want to be sure that you interpret it correctly. So the interpretation would be, for part C, it would be, if the installation price, the installation the installation price must be between 12 and 18 in order for the profit to be at least $8,000. If you don't sell them for if you sell them for anything less than $12 or anything more than $18, then your profit will not be at least $8,000. So that is the interpretation part. Here's the solution. The solution is any sale price between 12 and 18. This is the solution right here. And then this is the explanation. Okay, I am truly done this time. All right, be sure you get this written up nice and pretty and get it turned in.